And how do you make these really cool round ice balls for your drink? This is how you do it with one of these ice molds. Super easy to make. Let's check out one that's frozen right now. So we'll go right here in the freezer, and this one is ready to go. What you want to do is for about 30 seconds let this defrost. After about 30 seconds you can just peel this cap off, and right there you've got your round ball of ice. Super awesome. Awesome way to make round ice balls. So let's just fill this back up with water. About to the line. There's a fill line right there. Then we'll put this cap back on. Just gonna push it down. A little water is gonna come out of this hole. Okay, put this in the sink. A little water comes out of the hole. You can just dump that really quick and you are ready to go to put it back in the freezer. Back in the freezer. Let that freeze and you'll have another ball of ice. Super awesome and great for any drink. Can highly recommend. Definitely go grab one of these.